We are pleased to show you the 2014 Tundra. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, airbags, front knee, cruise control, multifunction display, child safety locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, one-touch windows, one.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.